If you're dealing with sewer line problems, backups, slow drains, or recurring issues, the idea of digging up your yard can be one of the most stressful parts of fixing it. That's why many homeowners ask whether there's a way to fix sewer lines without tearing up lawns, driveways, sidewalks, or landscaping. In this video, we are going to explain how modern trenchless sewer liners work and what homeowners should know before we walk your property.
Get Eco.
I'm Cody with Eco Plumbers, Electricians HVAC Technicians. We help homeowners solve sewer system problems in ways that can protect their properties, save time, and avoid unnecessary disruption. Today we are talking about trenchless sewer repair using Hammerhead trenchless and NuFlow liners, a method that can fix damaged sewer lines from the inside out without digging large trenches. We'll walk through what it is, how it works, when it's a good solution, and what realistic results you might see. Trenchless sewer repair is a way to fix damaged sewer lines without traditional excavation. Instead of digging up the yard to reach and replace the old pipe, we repair the existing pipe from the inside. NuFlow and Hammerhead specializes in a method known as cured-in-place pipelining, also known as CIPP, which creates a new, seamless pipe inside the old one. Here's a general idea of how NuFlow and Hammerhead trenchless lining technology works. We start with a camera inspection of your sewer line to see where cracks, root intrusion, or deterioration are happening. Before lining, the pipe is thoroughly cleaned of debris, roots, or buildup so the new liner can bond properly. A flexible liner saturated with epoxy resin is inserted into the existing pipe through an access point like a cleanout. Once in place, the resin cures, often in just a few hours, creating a rigid, seamless new pipe inside the old one. The result is what many call a pipe within a pipe that seals cracks, stops leaks, and smooths out the interior for better flow. A big advantage of trenchless liners is that you typically avoid extensive digging, which means less disruption to landscaping, driveways, and walkways, less time on the job site, less cost associated with restoring your property afterwards. Because liners are installed inside the existing pipe, they can also extend the life of your sewer line for decades, in many cases 50 years or more, without replacing the entire pipe. It's important to remember, trenchless lining isn't always the right solution for every sewer system. If a sewer line is completely collapsed, severely undersized, or buried in a location that prevents lining, traditional replacement may be needed. Also, because every home's plumbing is different, a detailed camera inspection is essential before choosing trenchless lining. Here's what many homeowners notice after trenchless sewer lining. Instead of trenches across the lawns or driveways, the job can often be done through existing access points. Many trenchless sewer repair jobs just take a day or two, instead of days or weeks of excavation. The new lining material is formulated to be strong and corrosion resistant, helping pipes last for decades. Lining can stop leaks, prevent root intrusion, and smooth the interior for improved flow. If you're curious whether trenchless lining is a good option for your sewer system, the next step is a camera inspection. A camera inspection lets us assess the condition of your pipe so you can make an informed decision, whether that ends up being lining or another repair approach. You can schedule an evaluation or learn more at geteco.com. Sewer problems are stressful, but you don't have to face them in the dark. Modern trenchless technology like NuFlow and Hammerhead gives homeowners a real alternative to dirty, disruptive digging. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. We look forward to helping you find the right solution for your home.